no. Oh no.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news.
No. I recently bought a pallet of returns from Home Depot and it was awesome. So then I bought a pallet of returns from Harbor Freight. That was awful. So why the hell wouldn't I buy a pallet of returns from Lowe's? Let's go. The reason I bid on the pallet is it's got Greenworks in there, it's got Cobalt, Hitachi, a couple brands that I like, and I'm super pumped to get into it. They're claiming that it's worth $2,395 worth of merchandise. Jordan left my ass, I get to do this whole one on my own. So for those of you that don't know, Lowe's is more for the home renovator than it is for the contractor. So this pallet's gonna get weird. The best part about it is I only spent 180 bucks on it. After shipping, this thing landed for $420.09, which means I paid more to ship this pallet here than I did for the actual pallet. So the manifest for this sucker was on the site. I only read like the top couple lines, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some absolutely useless stuff in here. Hopefully it looks a little bit better than the Harbor Freight pallet, because that was one of the saddest moments of my life.
It was quite sad.
Ah, there we go. We've got boxes, which basically nothing from the Harbor Freight pack came in boxes. Things wrapped good. Oh man. Oh, these things always crack me up. I shouldn't give myself such a surprise. Man, so this is definitely giving me like hybrid vibes of the Harbor Freight and the Home Depot boxes. As like, it does have some stuff in boxes, which is awesome because they're probably in better shape. And then it has some things not in boxes. So let's go with the way we did our Home Depot unboxing. We're gonna tally up the quality of what we got, see if it's actually worth that 2,000 whatever they claim. So our first item on the list is this Metabo HPT framing nailer, which is definitely gently used, but it looks pretty solid. If you've ever done any framing, these things are a godsend comparatively. Now, it's claiming this sucker is worth 159 bucks. So it has bump mode and it has regular mode. All right, let's plug the sucker and give her a shot. Here we go. I mean, it sends. I think it's the wrong nails. Oh yeah, it just smushed that nail straight in there. Well, it worked. Look at, see that nail's just sticking out there? I don't think it's broken. I hope it's not broken. Jordan! All right, I'll fart with that later. But I'm counting it. I think that is a great tool, and especially at 159 bucks. We only spent 420 on this crate. Up next, we've got a Cobalt 24 volt max brushless 2-tool combo kit coming in at a value of 199 doll hairs. I think I know what happened. Oh boy, it's not looking good. Includes a 2 amp hour battery and a 85 watt charger.
I think I know what happened.
We've got the impact driver, was definitely taken out on a job. We've got a drill that I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen a drill without the chuck attached to it. And like, they're covered in paint. So far, this is not going good. They took the battery, there's no battery, so. But these pricks, look what they left, the damn bit. We're gonna have to set this one aside and give her a thumbs down. You suck, you son of a bitch. This is kind of promising. It's got tape on it, leaf blower. It's got a 40-minute runtime. It's supposed to come with a charger and a big ass battery. I'm saying there's a battery in here. What do you think, Tyler?
There's either battery in there or they went to really far lengths to make it look like everything is in there.
This thing's worth 199 bucks. Oh! We've got plastic. Plastic's always a good sign. Now, what's interesting is that it's dirty plastic. Ha ha! That is a battery. You're buying lunch.
I agreed with you though.
Damn, it's all my lunch. These things are great. So if you guys don't have a cordless leaf blower, I mean, and it's the holidays, they are an incredible gift for somebody who blows leaves.
You can also blow snow with them.
The charger is not turning on. Now, is that my outlet? Damn it. That might have just went from being a great guy to being the worst. We haven't tried this before. Should we see if we can take it back and return it? Returning the return.
You just say we got it as a gift.
Yeah. If I do that and I put that on the internet, the cops might show up. That's a bummer. I was looking forward to this. The emotional baggage that comes along with this is absolutely.
It really sends you through a roller coaster, doesn't it?
It really does. That's got to go in like the probably sheath pile.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
Next, I didn't know DeLonghi made anything else besides coffee makers, because we have two, but she's in plastic, looking super solid. What are they saying this sucker's worth? There's some weird shit in there. All right, so they have this at $84.98 and it is trending right now because the cold season's coming. I really hope we didn't get duped. We're gonna try our outlet over here. Damn it, that means this is just terrible. It's blowing air. Hell yeah, that thing works, that's a win. That's an $84.98 win. Boom shaka, let's go.
This is the good pile, that's the garbage pile.
That's the pile of not worth buying pile. I mean, the tool only is probably still like $100 for that, but it's not what we signed up for, son.
Well, actually, we did sign up for this.
True, I signed up for every bit of this, you're right. So right now we've got 2 tools. I think what we have 159. I'm counting a thing. And then we had this at $84.98. Math. Now it's time to crack into some of this BS, and this is where things start to get sad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got this. Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
I wonder if that was, you know, good to go and then broken shipping, or got this for you too.
Another one? Thanks.
Hey, so those are in the trash pile. All right.
Still has a receipt on it from when it was bought.
Go me. Let's get this stuff on the table. This pallet sucks. So after unloading the box, there's a lot of shit in this, like a lot of awful stuff. Going to the Harbor Freight side of things. This is the only thing that has any promise right now. So we're gonna hold off on testing that.
Why?
But let me just walk you guys through this real quick. Rake, trash. Broken caulking gun, trash. We've got a lamp. That might not be trash. We'll go through that later. This is a sledgehammer. It's not how it's supposed to be.
You're trash.
This is the head of another rake. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. A vertical grill cover. This is gonna go in the pile of valuable things because I can use that. Another heater is in plastic. Ooh, that looks really clean. And battery over here is still not charging. Ooh, that's one of those burn your office down heaters. But she works and it's super clean. That's going in the pile of things that might be worth something. We got that at, oh boy. And I just keep going down the list. It's getting lower and lower and lower. Wow, I should have read that. Why do I keep doing this to myself? $29.98 on this sucker. I'm adding it. Ugh, this is a bummer. Give me the tools. It's not like new. Like the stuff we got from Home Depot was like new. This is a bummer. I'm sure this works. It comes in this bag. Here's the thing though. That's not on here. Bruh. Yeah, this one has a bunch of random crap in here. Like that's door hardware. Trash. What am I gonna do with that? This is a drapery rod set. Like who returns a used drapery rod set? Stupid. Also trash. Damn it. Look at this. That's a rake.
Was.
Why? What are you? Oh, this just makes me super sad.
It's getting more sad by the second, John.
I mean, here's some more door hardware. John, you should have read the like, I guess it's fine, but I'm not putting value on that. Oh. Is this used? It's a bathtub. Those pipes look dirty. Faulty merchandise slip. Oh no, oh no.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news.
No. I see a sticker on the pressure washer. I don't want to look at it. It's gonna make me sad. What is this bullshit with faulty It says conditions returns. So sometimes the condition, you see right here, condition returns. Items that usually are faulty go to parts only. Damn it. How can this be faulty? Maybe it is faulty. Why won't you go to your home? That can't be right. These were full of water. What the I was really looking forward to that. I'm gonna count these as a W and I think they were 20 bucks. I got hosed again. Oh, look at this place. This Cobalt stuff is a big letdown. There's supposed to be a PowerCore 40 2-piece 40-volt cordless power equipment combo kit. I'm not seeing that. I mean, this flooring here, it's broke. It says it's worth 68 bucks. Junk. I mean, I'm not counting that. That's a toilet valve that's open. Get out of my life. The only thing I think at this point that can redeem us is not these window blinds or this water heater connection kit. There's supposed to be a staple gun somewhere. Circling everything that's not here. Those wood-handled rakes are supposed to be worth $26 a pop. Yeah, those are worth a lot. Flush mount light is worth 80 bucks. No, get that out of my life. The bathroom fan doesn't work, and that bathroom fan is $145.
I mean, if the nail gun and the bathroom fan would have worked, it would have paid for itself.
Yeah, right? There's an air conditioner condenser pad. Do you see that anywhere? There's still something in the box, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Hold on. Faulty merchandise as well. Here you go. That's actually worth the $5 that it says it was. Here's a GFI. Oh, there's more stuff under it. Great. That's where they should put all that, is underneath this huge box. I'm just hoping you shut your mouth over there. Smoke alarm, that's a junk. Ice maker, junk. How can this be faulty? Oh, it's just a stink bug. I thought it was a cockroach. I'm upset. There's only two redeeming things left. This sink is the #2 most valuable object in here. Coming in at $289, this is an Ealing dual mount, 33-inch, 22-inch matte black, double equal bowl, 4-hole composite kitchen sink. I have absolutely no need for this, which is worth more than what I paid for the pallet minus shipping. Let's see what she looks like. Dude. This might have been worth the price. We've got all the plastic around it. I bet you that some responsible adult irresponsibly thought this was a single bowl and they returned it. Because we still have the template for it. It doesn't look cracked or scratched. It definitely doesn't look used, which would be hilarious for a sink. This, my friend, might have made the pallet worth it. 189 bucks, add it to the tally. We got a winner right here. Woo! I still suck, only a little bit less. I got a buddy who's doing a remodel right now. Let's see.
Hey, what's up?
Hey stud, I got you on speaker and on camera.
You have me on camera.
That's Jason Bourne. Well, you're not on video, but I just bought a pallet of returns from Lowe's, all right?
Okay, yeah.
There's a Kohler sink that came with it.
Okay.
It's pristine.
Okay.
It's worth 190 bucks. Do you want it for your remodel?
I could do that.
Boom! We just made some money back. Even if I get 20 bucks for it, worth it. Technically, that is counterintuitive to the purpose of this buy, but putting us over what this pallet cost me with the value of the stuff inside it. And I know I'm nitpicking right now, but the way I'm quantifying that is if you're buying stuff like this to use on your own and you wanna save money and not just resell it, I also think it's a hugely valuable means of purchasing these pallets. Now, the last thing and the only reason I had my eye on this sucker was this pressure washer. It's got this beloved faulty merchandise sticker on it, which is beautiful. Merchandise slip. This is the highest ticket item in here, and it's a $329 pressure washer if it works. Let's fire it up. I sure hope that they just said it had problems and returned it, and it didn't actually have problems. Very weird to me though that Greenworks would supply a blue hose. This thing's definitely got some wear on it. We've got that turbo nozzle here, nice and rusty, the way we like it around here. Be good to me, you son of a bitch! Ah! We were so close! Ah! You suck! You f***ing suck! Oh, you suck! Oh, we were this close. Maybe it just needed to pressurize. A nozzle might just be jankosaurus.
There's some different ones on there.
Let's go with the 40 degree, because, Oh! Oh! I mean, why do we keep getting pressure washers that are only good for washing cars? This isn't cleaning anything. Oh, boo. Let's try a different nozzle. That looks like some good pressure. Yes! It's cleaning stuff! Should we see if it'll go through this rotting pumpkin?
Yeah, definitely. Oh!
I'm telling you what, I'm notching it up as a W. This box was worth it for the couple tools that worked, I would say. If you're gonna keep them, there's no chance you can resell any of this stuff. It's all used, except for the sink, which I might get some money for. If yins are into this and you like this video, leave a comment down below on what store you wanna see me buy a pallet from next, and then go watch this video, because this one's amazing.